video, we're gonna be working with Original Queen hair, and y'all, I was sent a 24-inch body wave burgundy frontal wig. Now first things first, this is body wave hair. I never ever liked body wave hair because I feel like when you straighten it, it just doesn't feel straight. Like, the hair is so virgin, it starts reverting back to that pattern that it had, and like my hair is not staying straight. But the hair is soft, the hair is thick. It's not too thick, but the hair is soft, and this is 20, like, you can see it, y'all. Like, the hair is literally like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it in person. The hair is like trying to revert back to that wave that it had. But like I said, the hair is good and the hair is thick. The only thing I could say I had, I was looking in the mirror. The only thing I could say I had a problem with was the lace, y'all. I felt like the lace was giving me more gray. I bleached the knots, and like I added makeup on top. No, I bleached the knots. I bleached the knots. I added lace tint on top. You guys are gonna see all this in the video. And then I felt like the lace was still gray, so then I added makeup, and I feel like it helped it a little bit. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person it honestly doesn't look bad. But like I said, the hair is good, y'all. It's just me. I never liked body wave. I never liked body wave because the hair just doesn't stay straight to me. Like I said, y'all, this is a 24-inch burgundy. Oh wait, another thing, before my camera turned off, I believe you guys saw me trying to twist my hair. Like, I was gonna do that look that I did before, where I twisted my hair. I twist both sides. But yeah, it's late. I've been on my feet all day doing these wigs, and I'm tired. My back is literally on fire. My back is on fire. So I was like, I'll do that another time. Let me just wear it straight, middle part down, whatever. I might make it a side part. I don't know yet. But all the hair details will be down below. Like I said, this is a burgundy 24-inch wig, frontal wig. The hair company is Original Queen Hair. And yeah, I would give this hair an 8 out of 10. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I styled this wig, continue watching. And y'all, oh my god, y'all, hold on. I keep stopping. I just keep coming back. But y'all, oh my god, I'm already always want to be in a video. Y'all, it's been a long time since I... Okay, Amari. It's been a long time. No. Shh. Okay. It's been a long time since I did the soft baby hairs with the mousse. So I was like, let me try this look again. And I feel like I just gotta pluck right here more and make this more. I gotta cut the front of that. I just gotta pluck this more and then cut the front of this, but I'll be good. But other than that, y'all, like I said, I'm tired. It's late. It's about 3 in the morning. I want to go to sleep. All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.